Chicken Wars!
Welcome back to Chicken Wars.
Earlier today, we saw Mandy defeat Jeff in the Battle of the Crabs, but this match takes even more cojones.
Adoption.
Let the adopting begin!
What an intense battle. Now, what would you say is the best strategy going into this?
You know, I think you've got to approach this with an open mind and a complete lack of human decency. I mean, you have the rest of your life to regret this decision, but right now, you've got a game to win.
That's one adoption each.
Oh, fun fact, the next two children were found in the same dumpster as babies.
Wait, the one on 49th?
What? No, 78th.
Oh, good.
Hey, wait a second. Your name isn't pseudonym. You're cheating.
I know. This is ridiculous. You're all insane.
We have a winner!
Yes! Yes! We win! We won!
And with that, Chester moves on to the final round.
I think the real winner today is St. Jacob's Orphanage. Thanks so much, kids.
Will you be my daddy?
Chicken